What's up, guys? This is Zach back again with a quesadilla making video. Here we go. You will need a cast iron skillet, tortillas, cheese, and cheese from a bag, and finally, canola oil. You're gonna get this cast iron skillet up to a nice fine heat of medium. You will then dump your canola oil in there to where it slowly covers the pan. Your weapon of choice will be this bad boy right here, a spatula with no holes in it. And when the oil starts moving around like water, that's when you grab your flour tortilla, smack that thing in there, and get ready. Upon smacking your flour tortilla in there, you grab your assorted cheeses and drizzle them on there to add a little weight. So then the flour tortilla starts bubbling. And if you're feeling crazy, add a liberal amount of these cheeses because it will add to the flavor and the deliciousness. You then press down on top of that bad boy and let the cheese soak into your top flour tortilla. And then when you take a peek, sees underneath there and you see that nice golden color, that's when you're about to do a nice old flip. Bang! And you grab that bad boy with the paper towel you've just now created, throw them down on the table, drop a cheer wine, sit your tail down, and take a heaping bite.